Timeline revisions. The Timeline widget has two main features. Let's start by looking at the Revisions feature. It's a powerful feature that gives users a clear overview of the changes made at different stages of the translation process. To access it, activate any segment and click on the Revisions tab of the Timeline widget. Using this tab, you will be able to view every revision or edit that has taken place in detail. Each revision is marked with a timestamp. Depending on your user rights, you also may be able to see who made the changes. In this example, the first entry was an empty segment. It was then replaced with an initial translation. And finally, it was edited to what we now see in the active segment. The system uses editing marks to show the changes made in each revision. The Revisions tab does more than just show a history of changes made to the text. It also notifies you of any bookmark or status changes that occur and by whom and when they were saved. Built directly within the revision history is another helpful feature. You may come across a segment where an earlier version was better and you would like to revert to that version. Simply click on the revision you want to revert to and hit the Replace Translation button. This will automatically propagate the translation to the earlier version. To summarize, the Revisions tab is updated in real time and allows you to see who made what changes and at which point.